Hi guys! So last time nakita nyo kung paano kami nag-travel from New International Clark Airport to Coron, Palawan. And right now, yung videos ay papakita ko yung pagstay namin sa Discovery Coron plus yung pag-transfer namin sa hotel sa Coron West Town, which is located sa town, and also Bacau Resort, which is also located in Coron Town proper. So tara, samahan nyo kami! Guys, dito na kami. Okay, we're here.
So, the best area for snorkeling, sir, to the right side, around the orange buoy. That's an area of sea turtles between the darkened lights. And also to the left side, we have a corals and giant clam.
Grabe, ganda. Pristine.
So now we have reached at Discovery Coron, so it was a pleasure to have you on board. Enjoy your stay, sir.
Thank you, Kuya.
Good morning
For
po. Have some cold towel for your hands or face po.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Morning po. Some cold towel for your hands or face.
Hello guys, dito na kami sa front desk. Oh, cheers na.
Ay, ubos na.
Ay, wala na. Sige, ako na lang. Ayan, ganito itsura ng ano nila, front desk. So, meron silang bar at receiving area. Sa outside, meron silang pool. May pa-pool sila guys. Ayan o. Tapos, on this corner naman, meron silang beach area. Ganda. Super chill. Thank you, ate. Ang drinks namin. So, walang maglalasing for today. I got myself Mai Tai, and then mojito. Oh, cheers! Hi guys! So, while waiting for our check-in, well, naka-pre-check-in na kami. Pero wala pang available na room, so tatawagan na lang kami nung receptionist. So while waiting, nandito muna kami sa beach area nila. Ganda, fine sand din. Parang parang Boracay love. That's for our birthday trip. Hi guys, so ngayon nandito kami sa my beachfront area na Discovery Coron. Yesterday, nasa River House kami. Nag one night stay lang kami doon. So very quick lang. Maganda din doon, malapit sa river. I think may mga activities na pwede nyo namang itry. And then, nandito na kami sa Discovery Coron for our second stop na hotel na pag-i-stayan. We'll be staying here for 2 nights. Madami daw activities na included na dun sa package na in-avail namin. So, I will put the link below ng mga activities tsaka nung kung saan website kayo pwede mag-book for Discovery Coron. Tapos, ano pa ba? Buffet breakfast is free for Discovery Coron. Yung sa River House, plated siya. And then, room tour. I-check ko din kung anong meron sa amenities if it's similar with the other resorts that I've been to from the past. Ayun, so far okay naman dito. Dito may exclusivity. Parang kayo lang yung nasa island. Well, not literally, pero parang para lang sa mga guests ng Discovery Coron. So, we took a boat 17 to 20 minutes from the port itself. So pagdating namin dito, ayun, okay naman na may mga pa-welcome drinks, cold towels. Ayun, nag-drinks muna kami while waiting for our check-in time. Tapos, ayun, let's see kung ano pang ma-offer nitong hotel. Tignan nyo to, ang daming ano mo, mga paniki, mga fruit bat. Kita nyo ba sila guys? Ayan o. So, ibig sabihin, may fruit bearing trees sa paligid. Kasi ang dami nila eh. Nililiparan. It's giving ecosystem, nature, biology, biological woman. It's giving, yeah. Check-in na kami eh. May cookie. May free cookie. Dalhin ko sa room.
If you'd like to catch the sunrise, a stay at the Sunrise Villas will not disappoint. The villas come in standard, deluxe, and premier.
Sakay na kami ng golf cart. Tanak.
Oo, kanina siya yung kausap namin.
Multitasking ka ate.
Oo.
4101, sir.
Oo.
Okay, ready na po.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you ate.
So our glow spa, sir. Open na po sila 12 noon.
Okay. Hanggang anong oras?
You can check until 7 p.m.
Okay.
So our housekeeping po and then this is your suite po. So you are garden garden.
Yun yung room natin.
Okay.
So that's
Kami sa garden villas. So we availed the garden villa. Okay pa? Ganda ng view namin, no? Parang gubat. It's giving Naruto. Sige, pasok na tayo. So, oh, it's a king size bed. So we have lamps over here. The bed itself. Meron pang working station. Nilagay na namin yung mga bag. Meron pang tote. Pero this one is only good for use around the island. Tsaka yung plush toy. So, pwede nyo naman bilhin or i-avail. But, hindi pwedeng uwi kung you're thinking pwedeng uwi for free. And then, meron silang mga off lotion, SPF na sunscreen, SPF 50, that's good. Ayan, may construction notice din. Well, I hope walang mag-construction mamayang gabi. And then, we have the lalagyan ng luggage, the cabinet itself, the safe is here, robes, plancha, then itong bar, mini bar. So we have the fridge, I believe is here, fridge, trash bin, and mini bar. So pwede naman i-avail. Ito yung mga pricing. Ito complimentary naman to, so go lang. Then we have the toilet and bath. Ganda, may bidet, and towels, hand towels, bath towels, complimentary. Wow, may loofah. First time ko makita ng free loofah. Soap, and then the bathroom itself, may lagayan ka ng stuff if ever. And then, ganda rin na shower head, bagong-bago pa. So, yeah. And then, kabitan din na towel. So, that's it for the room tour, guys. Explore naman namin yung area mamaya kung may time pa at hindi kami makatulog. So, it's around 3 PM right now. So, let's see. So far, ang ganda. Ang bango din nung amoy nung room. Ayan guys, we're going to the restaurant. Ito yung mga ano nila, Sunset Villa. So, ito yung mga beachfront types ng accommodation nila. Ayan, tapos yun yung beach. Tapos kami, nag-book kami ng Garden Villa. Ayan. Ito na kami. Thank you, kuya. Dimakya Island. Correct. Kung may mga activities pa, may mga harness. Ito na yung anong restaurant. Per 2 lang. Ang init, sorry. Ayan. Sinag. Sino yung tsura ng restaurant? And, pakita ko yung menu. Ayan. Filipino cuisine. O, i-post nyo na lang. Gusto nyo makita yung pricing. Meron din silang for drinks. Oh, pak. So yun, order muna kami. Grabe ang pawis ng keki. Kaloka. Ang cute to, nagbigay sila ng complimentary bread. Ito yung pandesal. And then, ang cute ng mantikilya, bayabas, mangga, tsaka itlog na maalat. Cute! So, while waiting for food, yun mo nang imamunch namin. Ayan, dumating na yung okay namin. Ang tawag dito, shrimp fritters. Ay, dumating na. Chicken. Order kami ng chicken inasal. Wait lang. So we have sinigang. Ayan, yung kuha na ni Paul. Lechon sinigang. Dumating na ang pudangshi. Sinigang. Okay. PUPR. As ang aming inasal. With a small cup of rice. Ang cute ng rice. Sino ka dyan? Alice in Wonderland. Ito pa. Thank you, kuya. Thank you. Hi guys! Ito yung another restaurant. Dito yung breakfast buffet. I think this is a bar and restaurant combined. Ayan, mag-chill lang muna kami. Chillin'. May tortoise. May pawikan. Save the turtles. This is the other restaurant aside from the Sinag restaurant we dined in. Hi guys, this is our dinner for tonight. We got the trio plate. That's chicken, beef, and pork chop. Baby back ribs yata. And then plate of rice. We have mashed potatoes. And the view. Ito pala, the view. Hi guys, good morning. Magbe-breakfast kami today. Punta na kami dun sa restaurant. At andito na nga kami ulit sa Firefish. So basically dito yung buffet breakfast na kasama na nung package nyo whenever you book your hotel reservation sa Discovery. Ito may mga kids section, available din yung bread station, pwede nyo ring initin, available naman yung mga reheating machines nila. Meron din dito kakanin section, yung mga puto, kutsinta, available din siya in fairness. So pagdating naman sa mga ulam, we have here yung mga Filipino favorites like tocino, hotdog, sausage, longganisa. Actually ito, lechon kawale, available din siya in the morning. And yung iba't iba pang mga Filipino dishes kagaya nito, yung stroganoff, and then pepper chicken yata ito eh. Tapos meron ding baked macaroni and vegetarian option kagaya nito, skillet potato. But ayun nga, medyo limited lang for vegans or vegetarian yung menu. More on like meat sila. Ito nga, meron pa silang egg station. Pwede nyo ipaluto yung egg, depende dun sa type nyo. So ayun, medyoan kita. So ayun, kumuha na kami ng it's a buffet breakfast. Ayan o. Ito na kami sa sa beach. Ano lang kami, chill lang for today. Ang kagandahan dito sa Coron, ang daming daming yung makikitang iba't ibang species ng ibon. Maraming isda dun sa mga coral reef. Buhay na buhay, may pawikan pa daw. Kung mag-activity kayo, may snorkeling, may kayak, may paddleboard. Pwede rin kayo mag-rent ng scuba diving, dapat may lisensya. Pero may beginners din yata, hindi yata required ng lisensya. Tapos boat tours around the island. So marami rin magagawa. But for me, as a chill girl, nandun na pumasok na.
Hindi, dito siya.
As a chill girl, at may iguana sa likod ko pala, nakakaloka din, pero minsan ma-appreciate mo din. Save the turtles, guys. Ito na si Polo, nagkakayak na siya. So, yung mga ganyang activities, free yan or kasama na yan sa binayaran yung package dito pag nag-avail kayo sa Discovery Coron. sila. It's giving Richard Gomez bench 1990s. Hi guys, so nagkakaya kami today. This is our last day to Dimakyat Island. So ito yung ano namin, activity na tinatry. Nakakaloka, nagwawabol. Ayun, relax lang daw. So ayan yung pinagstayan namin, Discovery Coron. So siyang ating captain. Pa-sunset na guys. So magandang activity to. So yun guys, ganun mag-paddle ang inexperienced paddler. Nakakatakot lang kasi mabigat ako eh. So balance talaga siya. Pero ang ganda ng view namin it's giving it's giving sunset. Ha? Ano? Sabay tayo.
Stable boat seat.
Okay.
Ganito.
Oh. Parehas ng And to our last day, ito si Paul, gusto niya mag-hike dun sa pinaka-tuktok nitong isla. Ang pangalan ay Eagles Point. So sabi ko, i-push niya yan at ako pagod na ako at gusto ko nang mag-impake para makaayos na kami to our next destination. So ayan, nag-hike muna siya. Medyo medyo challenging yung ruta ha, pero mukhang napagod naman siya. So yun, enjoy siya. Wow, almost there. But before the summit, you have to climb the viewpoint deck. Let's do it. Whew. Oh. Wow. Ooh. Wow.